Hey guys, just doing a longer video on explaining on QQQ and how the market traded today regarding the CPI data today. So the CPI data today was estimated to be a 6.2%, but we got 6.4. And we had essentially a whipsaw reaction right in the pre-market. So you guys can see over here, we dropped down and then we shot back up and then we dropped back down and then we dropped down over here. So right when the market opened, we dropped and we essentially ripped all the way back up here without a single 5-minute trend change. When that happens, we are likely scouting a higher low. But right when the stair-stepping pattern broke, we dropped all the way down to here. So right when we have these support and resistance tests twice, both support and resistance, we're very likely to scout a equilibrium for the rest of the day. So we bounced, and then we retested again the support. So I made a video here in the morning, right when we were at the spot, saying that if we bounce from here and not break through, we're very likely to be closing within this range, which we did end up closing this range. We broke above here for about 15 minutes. And at the end of the day, that last 5 minutes, there was a little bit of a dump. So we dumped right back into the equilibrium. And after hours, we dropped a little bit more as well, because Taiwan Semiconductor had a 5% drop because Warren Buffett sold 86% of its shares this quarter. And that dragged the semiconductor sector down as well, such as NVIDIA and AMD. So tomorrow we'll likely be looking a little bit more bearish, since NVIDIA and AMD has been running a lot and semiconductor sector needs a little bit of a consolidation. So as you can see, this is the futures chart for NASDAQ. So NASDAQ has dropped 0.52%, another 0.2% after hours for QQQ. QQQ would close 0.31% after hours, so we drop another 0.2. And as you guys can see, the semiconductor sector, this is a weekly chart. We've pretty much been ripping from 165 all the way up to 250. And this is the semiconductor ETF. So we're very likely getting a weekly consolidation, meaning that this would be a weekly consolidation over here. So I'm likely getting another one soon. So if we do reject from this short-term resistance here, the triple top area, then we're likely be starting a weekly consolidation. So I am still holding my SQQQ position for tomorrow, and I'll likely be scaling out if we have a significant gap down. But if we just have like a, like a 0.5% or something gap down, then I'll still be holding for the move. And we'll see how tomorrow goes.